Today's lesson we will be learning when animals are awake and active. A moth is active at night. A grasshopper is active during the day. An aardvark is active at night. A brown bear is active during the day. A wombat is active at night. A reindeer is active during the day. A cat is active during the night. A zebra is active during the day. A beaver is active at night. An ostrich is active during the day. A honey badger is active at night. A giraffe is active during the day. A raccoon is active at night. A wolf is active during the day. An owl is active at night. A cockatoo is active during the day. A porcupine is active at night. A butterfly is active during the day. A quokka is active at night. A gorilla is active during the day. A hamster is active at night. A vulture is active during the day. A hedgehog is active at night. A lion is active at night. A cow is active during the day. A bat is active at night. An emu is active during the day. A koala is active at night. A turkey is active during the day. A hyena is active at night. A sheep is active during the day. A frog is active at night. A monkey is active during the day. A platypus is active at night. A goat is active during the day. A bilby is active at night. An antelope is active during the day. A tiger is active at night. A cassowary is active during the day. A possum is active at night. A black panther is active at night. A peacock is active during the day. A quail is active at night. A rooster is active during the day. A bandicoot is active at night. A goose is active during the day.